In this video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step Amazon FBA shipment tutorial for 2025 so you can send inventory to Amazon FBA the quick and easy way, even as a complete beginner.
All right, guys, I'm going to show you guys the entire process of how to actually create your shipment, what supplies you need, how to print labels, the entire process. The first step, besides actually getting inventory to sell, is just going to be getting a 2-week free trial of our Amazon FBA shipment software, Box'em. We've used every shipment software in the book. I've spent a lot of time messing around on Seller Central too. Seller Central is very confusing in 2025. You can try a 14-day free trial of Box'em. It makes the process a lot easier. Once you go ahead and get a 2-week free trial of Box'em, you just connect it to your Amazon seller account, and then all you need to do is go ahead and list your inventory on Amazon, which is going to be the first step right here. It's just in your Box'em dashboard, which connects to your seller account. You can do the entire shipment here within Box'em. You don't need to do anything on Seller Central like with some other shipment software that weren't able to figure out the new system that Amazon has here. So we just go to list FBA. You can also list FBM products through Box'em too. Just go ahead and list FBM, then we'll just submit the listings, then it'll be available for you. But say we go ahead and take this product right here. We just go ahead and copy the ASIN, and then we go over here and plug this in. And now what we can do is actually store our buy costs and all our supplier data on this, which is going to work hand in hand with the Box'em analytics features too. So you can know all your numbers, your best products, your best SKUs, your best suppliers, everything like that. So once we actually go ahead and add in this ASIN, or we could just search it right here, now we need to actually add it to our FBA inventory so then we can create a shipment with it. So all I need to do is go here and hit new SKU, right? And now we want to enter in the data for this specific product. I'll just match the price right here. And then our buy cost, say we paid $14.25 for this. Stafford items tend to come from JCPenney, so I can just go to the drop-down menu and hit supplier, JCPenney, date purchased. Pretty self-explanatory right there. We want to go ahead and add that in right here. Then condition, new, and that's automatically going to generate our custom SKU right here, which shows the supplier, the buy cost, and then a random number that's required by Amazon right there. Expiration date, if that was required for this specific product, we would need that in. Obviously, it's a shirt, so we don't need to. Then I just want to go ahead here and hit add listing, right? We could list multiple products at the same time, so you could do an entire shipment or entire batch right here, as well as putting multiple products in the same batch. I know a lot of beginners are curious if that's the thing too. It is right here. And then so say we had multiple products, we just want to go ahead and search those, or add in the ASINs right here. And for this example, we're just going to do one. So we're just going to go here and hit submit FBA listings right here. And then we're going to wait a couple minutes for that to actually go live within our FBA inventory. All right, guys, now a couple minutes later, that's added to my inventory right here. So now I just go back to dashboard, hit create shipment, and then we're here in the create shipment page. The first step in creating our shipment is just going to the shipment name. We can add it. I'll call it like April test. For example, right here, fulfillment type, we want to do FBA. Shipping origin, this is not the post office or UPS location you're dropping off your inventory at, although I love doing pickup orders from, or pickups from PireChip as well. So no need to even drop off. PireChip is great for just scheduling stuff to pick up right there. This is going to be your address. Luckily, Amazon knows how the prep center model works. A lot of preps are using Box'em more every day. So you just add this in as one of your ship from addresses right here. You can have a bunch of them right there. Shipping method, SPD. Box contents, 2D barcodes, those are special FBA box labels we do recommend using with the Box'em Professional plan right here. Auto list pricing. I'm a big fan of auto list pricing so you don't tank your listings. Use auto list pricing like 25% above to make sure you go ahead and don't tank your listings. And then once those listings are actually checked in and they show good delivery dates, then match the buy box. That's to make sure that even if Amazon displays your inventory early while it's on back ordered, you're not undercutting your competitors, causing them to potentially undercut you if they don't know how delivery date arbitrage works, right? So we go here. Also like to do auto print F and SKUs, and then I like to do all these options for SKUs as well. Then we go ahead and we just want to choose our products right here. Going to go ahead and plug in Stafford right here. Now we can see all those listings right here. We'll go ahead and just hit one of these right here. You can obviously do multiple SKUs per as well. We want to go ahead and hit add product right here. Then we can go ahead and put that above pricing right here. Go ahead and put like 62 right there. Buy cost right there, quantity as well. Say we do 20 units right here. Expiration date, obviously we don't need to have. I know some of this stuff, it looks like you're inputting it twice. It's just how it works on the new Amazon shipping API. So expiration date, we don't need to add. Prep category, prep owner, label owner, just recommend copying these right here. Amazon provided right there. Seller and seller for prep owner and label owner right there. Then just go ahead and hit add to shipment right here. We could add multiple products as well. In this case, we're just going to do one. Go ahead and say we do 20 units right here. Total MSKUs right there. Boom. Then we want to go ahead and continue and head on to step 2. All right, guys, now we're here in step 2, where we want to go ahead and actually prep our products and box them up right here. The first step is going to be going ahead and hitting print F and SKU labels. So you can go ahead and print those F and SKU labels right here. And if you're ever unsure what supplies you need as a beginner, we'd recommend just using these F and SKU labels from Amazon. These are what you're going to put on the specific barcode or on the outside of the poly bag. Really, any of the ones on Amazon that come up when you search it are going to be good, as well as clear poly bags are what most products are going to be required to prep in. You'll see the prep category and just what's required on Amazon specifically right there. Recommend just buying these 8x10 as well as like a variety pack to get those going as well. And then boxes here, there's a variety of different box sizes that you can just get on Walmart.com here. The best ones that fit the Amazon's max requirement the best is going to be the 24x16x19 ones right here. So the last shipping supply, guys, you want to have is the FBA box label. So the 4x6s or 4.25x5.5s, anything around that size that actually go on the outside of the box. You'll see that later in the shipment flow when to actually use those. The cool thing is you guys can actually get those completely free from the UPS website. Just Google UPS free shipping supplies and you can get these literally like gigantic toilet paper roll of shipping labels. It's pretty funny. You can get like one free per month, I think, just checking out on the website right there, literally for free. Just get it shipped to you. But if you email them with your account number and everything, you get a bunch more of them free too. So make sure you lock in those free 4x6 or 4.25x5.5 shipping labels from the UPS website. So now we can go ahead and print those F&SKU labels right here, pop these up, box them, connects to your different printers here, and then we got the F&SKU labels right there. And then we can go ahead and add these to actual boxes right here. The nice thing about Boxem is on other shipment software is you have to go ahead and add in and like drag a bunch of different boxes. I'm just a fan of just using bulk assign on Boxem. It's way easier right here. Say we go ahead and have 20 units. We can just go ahead and do 10 units per box, 2 boxes right here. Then we go ahead and add in the dimensions. For this case, obviously, I think these would weigh less than 40 pounds. I'm actually positive they would here, right? But we can just do 24x16x19. Say we do 10 pounds right here. Could obviously do different boxes right here. So now we got these boxes here, and we're going to move on to step 3, where we can actually go ahead and confirm the shipments now that we got all the products in the specific boxes right here. Boom. Submit pack groups, and we'll see you in a sec. All right, guys, now we're here on step 3 where we're actually confirm what Amazon FBA shipment warehouse we're actually sending this to right here. So we can see there's 3 different options. The quick version is just always quick, whatever's cheapest, right? But we can see we have an option to go into Homestead, Florida, Clarksville, Tennessee, or Las Lumas, New Mexico right here for $24 closer, $40. Need them right there going to Tennessee, right? And then $60. Obviously, you want to go with the cheapest option right here. The only reason you would do otherwise was if in the future you're operating at big scale and you have a bunch of inventory in a specific warehouse already. So now we have that warehouse selected. We can go ahead and add the ship day right there. It's automatically in there. Just go ahead and continue. Let's go ahead and confirm placement options and shipping charges and send this off to Amazon right here. All right, guys, and we're here in step 4. All we need to do from here is just go ahead and print the UPS label and the Amazon FBA box labels. We could go ahead and print the F&SKU labels again if we wanted to right here, if say any got messed up or anything like that. If not, all you need to do is go down here and hit print UPS and FBA shipping labels right here. And now we have these labels that go on the outside of the boxes right here. So you just slap the 2D barcode right here as well as the Amazon FBA shipping label right there or on the outside of the boxes, and you're good to go right there. From there, there's no need to confirm shipments or anything like that. Actually used to be on the old Amazon shipping API, but from here, you're good to go. And that's the entire process, guys. Don't overcomplicate things. You can try Boxem completely free to get going with the shipment flow right here, right from the get-go. Say you ever did need to go ahead and cancel shipping, you could do so right here as well. But that's the entire Amazon FBA shipment flow, the easy way tutorial. So make sure you guys check out Boxem completely free. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.